Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To all the participants, thank you very much for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hanifah. I am the student postgraduate UNES. Today, I will explain my article with title of Analysis Mathematical Representation Ability Based Efficacy of Prospective Mathematics Teacher. For introduction, number one, the general goals in learning mathematics is problem solving. Will the ability to solve problem is a basic ability in learning mathematics. Number two, the success of solving problem depend on the ability to representation problem, including making and using mathematical representation in the form of word, graph, table, and equation, solution, and symbol manipulation. Number three, the representation is a form of interpretation of student thought on a problem which is used as a tool to find solution to this problem. Number four, in addition to cognitive aspect, affective aspect are also important and play an important role in learning success. Number five, one example of the affective aspect is self-efficacy. Dimension of self-efficacy according to Bandura, namely, number one, magnitude related to the level of difficulty faced by a person task. Someone's belief in a task varies. Number two, generality is a feeling of ability shown by individual in different task contexts. Number three, strength is the strength of a person's belief regarding their abilities. And then, for method, this type of research is descriptive research. This study uses a qualitative approach that aims to obtain in-depth data and information to analyze the mathematical representation ability of mathematics education students at Singapura Bangsa University, Karawang, in solving vector calculus problem viewed from the level of student self-efficacy. The instrument used were tests and questionnaires. Data collection technique in this study were test, questionnaire, and interview. For result and discussion on the ability of visual representation, it appears that students with a very high level of self-efficacy can do problem 1 properly and correctly without any mistakes. But a student with a level of self-efficacy can work on problem 1 properly and correctly but not yet complete in giving symbol to each vector being operated, where students with very low level of self-efficacy in working on problem 1 show that in determining the direction of the vector is not correct, resulting in error in operating the vector result. And then, on the ability of equation representation, it appears that students with very high level of self-efficacy can work on problem 2 systematically and produce solution correctly. But a student with self-efficacy level can work on problem 2 systematically, but the final result are obtained is still not quite right. This is due to lack of accuracy of student in doing calculation. Will students with a very low level of self-efficacy in working on problem to show that students do not yet understand the arithmetic operation on vector function, resulting in inaccurate final result in calculation. And then, on the ability of word representation, it appeared that students with very high level of self-efficacy can work on problem 3 by providing correct explanation with systematic completion step and producing correct answer. But in student with moderate self-efficacy level has been able to provide a correct explanation with systematic step for completion. But the final result of the calculation are not yet right. There are still errors due to lack of accuracy in the calculation, where students with very low level of self-efficacy in working on problem 3 so that students have not been able to provide explanation correctly related to problem-solving solution. For conclusion, students with a very high level of self-efficacy on each indicator of mathematical representation ability have been able to solve problems well. Students with a moderate level of self-efficacy on each indicator of mathematical representation ability are able to solve problems quite well. Students with a very low level of self-efficacy on each indicator of mathematical representation ability are less able to solve problems well. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.